Hey there, it's Nuri. Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to embed a no-code Mapify app directly into your website using the embed code generated by Mapify. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your Mapify account, head over to the Apps section and select the app you want to share. For this tutorial, we'll use one that displays real-time data from Helsinki's public transportation. Click on the Share tab. By default, all new apps are set to private, so this means that even if you share the link, users won't be able to access it unless they're signed into their Mapify account. The first step is to make the app public. To do this, your client or organization needs to provide a Google Maps API key. In this example, we've already added one and we've blurred it for privacy. Once the app is public, any Google Maps features like Search or Street View will run through that API key. Next, you'll need to authorize the domain or IP address of the website where you'll embed the app. Here, we're using a fictional local website, but this could be any real domain or subdomain. Enter the website address, hit save, and your changes will be applied. Now that everything is set up, go ahead and copy the embed code provided by Mapify. This includes all the configuration needed to display your app externally. Next, open your website's sources code and paste in the embed code. Save the changes, refresh your page, and there it is. Your Mapify app is now live on your website. It's fully functional, visually consistent, and connected to real-time data, exactly as you configure it. It's pretty easy, right? Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.